Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily summarize YouTube videos using the Claude AI. The result will look like this. To get started, go to Claude.ai and log in or create a new free account. Here I am already logged in. Then start a new chat and paste in the prompt that you will find in the description of this video. To give the AI more context and improve the result, paste in the title and creator name. Then you can get the transcript from the video. In some rare cases, like in this German video from Morpheus Tutorials, the creator has disabled transcripts. But we can still create a transcript using OpenAI's free Whisper. Here I'm going to use an online tool, link in the description, that does everything for me, but if it takes too long for you, you can also run Whisper on your own machine. Or simply wait a bit and leave the site running in the background. So to use the site, simply paste in the YouTube video URL and click on Transcribe. Then you can copy the transcript. But as I said, this isn't necessary in most cases, so for most of the videos we can simply click on the three dots under the video and then click on Show Transcript. Then select the entire transcript and copy it. After that, we can copy it in our Claude chat and finally click on Send or press Enter, and Claude will create a nice little summary of the video. After that, we can copy the summary or click on Retry it if we are not yet satisfied with the result. And that's it for this video. Leave a like if you found this video to be helpful and subscribe to be notified for new videos like this one. Peace out.